I can't believe this is actually running. And the performance is pretty... Oh. That's a bit cursed.
Say it.
All things considered, Sonic Unleashed still looks pretty good for an Xbox 360 game released in 2008. Alright, maybe there's room for improvement. And that's the goal of Unleashed Recomp, a port of Sonic Unleashed to PC. But what about ARM? Well, if you've got a Raspberry Pi 4 or 5, just go ahead and set it aside. It's not going to happen. But we might be able to pull this off with a Rockchip 3588 SBC like this Orange Pi 5 Pro or this Rock 5 ITX Plus. I mean, how hard could it be? Alright, well, let's crack open a terminal and find out. I'm going to start off by installing just a gang of dependencies and cloning the Unleashed Recomp GitHub repo. And let's see if we get lucky and it just configure. Nope. I'm going to have to force a couple of system binaries and of course tell the build script that, hey, we're on ARM. And look at that. There it goes. And after a bit of waiting, we have build files. Neat. Now surely I can just run make and everything's going to work. Right? Nope. So I ended up having to build DirectX shader compiler and patch up Clang a bit, but eventually it popped out a binary. But does it run? Run might be a strong word since the performance is a bit tragic. But remember, our win condition is running, not running goodly. But can we do anything about the performance? I'm going to try dialing the resolution scale down to 720p, nope the anti-aliasing, and enable chonky shadows. Now, I didn't expect much at 1080p, but at 720, this 4-year-old SoC is sometimes hitting 30 FPS. And if anybody knows what's going on with the Technicolor textures, please let me know in the comments. I think it's fair to say this was a bit scuffed. But can we do better? Maybe. The GPU bits in this Orion 06, man, they run absolute circles around those fountain at 3588. But there's a big honking problem. To make use of these bits, we have to use an image based on Debian 12. And that means manually updating just a gang of software without breaking anything GPU related. Then hoping everything just comes together to build Unleashed Recomp. Horrible idea. Y'all better leave me some likes for this. I ended up having to manually update CMake and LLVM, convince DirectX shader compiler to just build, shoehorning in an updated version of Clang, linking and pointing Unleashed Recomp at the modified bits, but after a bit of a wait, there is a binary. But will it run? Even a little bit. You bet it does. No scaling. This is full 1080p, and the integrated GPU is doing a heroic job, hovering around 60 FPS even when things are flying by on the screen at an incredible rate. But we need to pop on our fursuit to really test the performance. People were split about the Hog of War sections back in the day for a number of reasons, and one of the big ones, nasty frame dips when tangoing with large groups of enemies. This first mob, it's not bad, managed to stay in the 50s, but round 2, we're seeing drops into the 40s, much like the original, but it's not cornflakes with orange juice bad. Still, I prefer my rampant acts of destruction served with a side of daylight. It's like a dark, twisted version of Bayonetta. And for those of you nostalgic for the bad old days, here's a side-by-side comparison of Sonic Unleashed running on the Xbox 360 left and Unleashed Recompiled on the right. And like I said at the beginning of the video, it still looks a bit of alright for a game about to turn 20. But I don't think I could go back to playing the original after experiencing this HD chili dog. Hey man, couldn't you just play this on a cheap x86 mini PC? Absolutely. But doing it on an ARM development board is like 73.28% cooler. And let's be honest, did anyone expect Unleashed Recomp to run on a little SBC? Much less run okay-ish when dialed down to fugly, but I wanted to use this as an opportunity just to show you what's around the corner. Everyone's shoving GPUs into these boards. Guilty. When there's plenty of grunt sitting under these heatsinks, and Unleashed Recomp did a great job showing that off. Just something to look forward to in these trying times. And if you want to play the home game, I've posted my build notes for Rockchip and CIX boards on interfacinglinux.com. Feel free to hit me up in the forums if you have any questions. And remember to drop a like on your way to the comments to explain why 2D Sonic is the superior version. Also, big thanks to everybody who subscribed. We're almost at 10,000, and big thanks to our patrons who make this possible. But that's gonna do it for this one. So I want you to get out there and make something awesome.